Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Sorry if I'm talking really low right now. It's probably not going to be low to you guys because you know the magic of editing. Basically it's like 6:30 in the morning right now, and I'm kind of last minute with stuff, so I'm making my planner because PlannerCon is today, so I have to get this done because I won't be home for the weekend. So yeah, and I'm just going to show you guys how I did this because it's been a while since I have showed you guys how I do my daily planner. So I just cut out these pages from my daily, like the mini daily planner that you could get from Target. They're usually on sale for like $15. That's usually how much I get them for. And then I use my little cutouts. They're like strips like this, and then I use double-sided rolly sticky tape, and then I already put it on these three. And yeah, well, I'm just gonna show you the rest kind of ish. So what I do is I just like glue down one side of the like backbone, and then on the other side I do it in the middle, but on the opposite side I'll do it at the edges so everything's covered efficiently. Take my insert and then you just line it up. It is a sticky mess though, is the thing. So it takes a little bit of patience. There we go. And then when it's done, it just looks like this. Nothing too interesting. So I'm just gonna do that and then I'll be back. So I have this gorgeous washi from Simply Gilded. It's like a floral pattern with champagne bows. I'm not sure what collection it's from because I didn't write it down, but I absolutely love it. I love the white background of florals. Gorgeous. So I usually do 2 weeks of like the same washi, so this is like my second week of it. The first week I already have in my planner, so we're just gonna kind of just put the bows in whichever order. So maybe this wasn't the best idea to like to like basically plan it right before I have to go to an event, because I have a super busy day. I have to leave at like 7 something so that I can hang out with my boyfriend before I leave to PlannerCon. And then I have to go to the bank, and then I have to go to my best friend Vicky's house because we're going to PlannerCon together. So yeah, and I'm like excited. I mean, I wish I could just like stop at my house so that I don't have to like rush everything. And I wish I'd better prepared, honestly. I slept at 1 in the morning last night, woke up at 6:30. Luckily I've been waking up at 6:30 every day this week, so I'm kind of used to waking up at that time. I'm like not tired at all right now, which thankfully, because if I was, I probably would just like not just stay in bed until I really have to leave, you know, leave to go travel there. But I'm just so mad. Usually I pack a week before events because I'm like way too busy for last minute stuff with school and stuff and work and life. Sometimes I feel like people think that I'm over exaggerating when I say that I'm like that busy, but I'm like serious. On Tuesdays I'm at school from from 11 to 6 p.m. So I'm like exhausted once I get home because both of my classes that day are like very thinking. Like you have to like really use your brain in those classes. So my brain is like pooped out. Like it cannot absorb any more information. It cannot problem solve or anything. It just wants to go to bed. So then Wednesday comes around, and then I have class from 9:30 to 2, and then I have to go to work right after. So it's a lot kind of. So those days are like my ultra busy days. Then this weekend with PlannerCon, I'll be busy all day and night. I'm still gonna try to keep up with my schedule because I don't want that to change, you know. I still want to sleep in at 11 or sleep at 11, wake up at 6:30. It's just, I'm like, it's so true. I'm my most productive in the mornings. It's crazy. I don't even know how. So now I just take like a already punched sheet and then I kind of line it up like this. I used my 3-hole punch. This is like a personal size planner one. I couldn't find an A5 planner punch hole because, or maybe I did, but it was just too expensive. I'm not sure. Because when I went to Michael's, they didn't have it. They only had the personal size planner ones. So I have to do it this way where I hole punch it by 3 at a time, just like that. This takes a little bit of concentration. I'm probably gonna have to do this off camera because this is kind of far away from me and I need it close. So I have my planner right here. And then I'm just gonna flip to the ends and just add this part in. It's currently like, oh wait, what the heck? Wait, no, I have to go back to that page. I think I put in the wrong day. Yeah, I did. Flip to the end. So it's like 7 o'clock right now and I have to leave in a few, so I'm like behind a schedule and I still have to pick out my outfits. My goodness, wonderful. Talk about last minute today. Okay, so then I gotta put this in here. And that's how I basically do my inserts for this planner. And this is just what it looks like. Oh my gosh, I have so many months in here and I did not even realize that. Okay, we're just gonna take this one out because I already budget planned for this. And I also already planned for this week. So we're just gonna toss this away, make room for the newer planner. And yeah, so that is it for my, I guess, making my inserts. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I see some of you at PlannerCon. This will already be up later. Yeah, I'm kind of excited. I'm like really excited. I'm a little stressed, but I hope you guys have a fantastic day and subscribe if you want to join the family. I will see you in the next video.